This tutorial is going to go over how to turn on the preview image in a Raspberry Pi with a camera when you're using VNC. I've got a Raspberry Pi powered up and it has no monitor connected to it. And I want to put this Raspberry Pi and position it on a window so I can watch birds. By default, with the camera connected to the Raspberry Pi and running it through VNC on a separate computer, you cannot see preview images. So for example, if I put in Raspy Still -F, normally with a connected monitor to Raspberry Pi, you would see a preview image. But because I'm working on a different computer using VNC, it does not show that image. But you can change that. Here's how you do it. On the Raspberry Pi, come up to the VNC server icon and click on it. Then, in the VNC server VNC Connect, click on the hamburger or the menu and come down and choose Options. When the options screen appears, you want to click on Troubleshooting. The option that will enable a preview image is Enable Direct Capture Mode. I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to click the Apply button. The screen will go black, but once it returns, you will be able to see a preview image. So now it reconnected, it changed my VNC settings, and if I run that same command and look at a full screen preview, you'll now see the blinds in front of my window. And that's how you enable preview images from a Raspberry Pi camera when you're connected to the Raspberry Pi via VNC.